hoping that the internal brace would allow you to recover in 12 weeks after the disruption of your elbow, dislocation of your elbow. You're a wrestler, and at the moment you feel you've just got the green light to go back on. Do you feel as if your elbow's recovered? It's recovered, and can you show me your movements? You can move it nice and easily, lock it right out, bend it, you can rotate your hand freely, and most importantly, does it feel stable and strong? So you feel ready to go back onto the mat? Your dad was telling me he was a wrestler, and his friends 25 years ago, when they had the same injury, you were saying they were out for a wee bit longer? A year, a full year. So, again, oh well. Well, this is a wee sign of the advances, and hopefully this internal brace will serve you well and give you that wee bit of extra protection.